Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Magwi-withdraw po tayo ngayon ng Popo account ng aking sister. Nakapag 100,000 points na po siya ngayon. Pindutin lamang po natin yung points. Then, since nakapag-bind na tayo, withdraw now. Pag-buy na tayo sa GCash kasi meron dyang ibang choices. It's either Paymaya, GoTime, Como, and then yung ibang bank, and then meron din tayong USDT dito at saka ePay. Since na-buy na natin sa GCash yung method of payout natin, balik na lang po tayo. Ayan, nalagay na natin dyan yung GCash number natin, then withdraw now. Ayan, attention, we are not responsible for checking account name. Please make sure your number is activated and valid. At the end of the month, a large number of payment failures occurred due to the account limits. For your information, confirm lamang natin, and then yung mawi-withdraw natin or ang withdrawal amount natin is just only $10. That is 500 something pesos. Confirm, and then lagay natin yung security password natin. Succeed. Ayan, wala na yung points. And then punta tayo sa message. You have initiated a withdrawal request and system is reviewing it. Withdrawal amount is $9.20. Ayan, so mamaya dadating na sa ating GCash yung ni-withdraw natin. So kumbaga 496 pala, 496 pesos 0.80 yung mari-receive natin. So dito lamang po at maraming salamat.